Hello traders, welcome back to my channel NDT Strategy. So today is Wednesday. I have entered into my position. Time is 9:47. So I have sold 15,800 call, which is around 35 rupees, and 15,700 put at 39 rupees. So almost I am holding around 70 points on the card. So still I'm in loss of 1700 or 2000 odd amount. So let's see how it goes from here. I'm expecting 10% decay from here, and I'll be doing some kind of adjustments in between. I had to place the stop loss. Let me place the stop loss on both the sides. So on call side we can place around 43.6 and 43.65 and on the put side, as it is trading at 34.6 or 5, so I'm going to place around same 43.6, 43.65. So let's see how market goes from now. So for sure I'll be expecting some 10 points for the day, and I actually hit the stop loss on one of the sides, so because of that I exited my positions on 15,750. So that is the reason you are seeing losses here, but still with a 100 point strike price difference, right now I have around 68 to 69 points. So we can expect some kind of decay as it is a Wednesday. So my plan for the day right now is, if 15,800 call hit the stop loss, then I'm going to enter into 15,850 call. So if 15,700 put hit the stop loss, then I'm going to enter into 15,650 put. So that's a plan for now, and the market Nifty is trading around 15,771. So we need to see the actual Nifty, not the derivatives. So derivative is trading around 15,779, but we have to look into the equity, normal Nifty, which is trading at on 15,772. So our strike prices are in between this price as per the current market price, so we don't need to worry about that. So I'll keep you posted if there is any changes in the position. Yeah. Hello traders, welcome back. So it looks like I'm going to hit the stop loss on call side. So as usual I said the plan. So what I'm going to do, if 15,800 hits stop loss, I'm going to enter into 15,850, so which is trading around 21 or 22 rupees right now. So let's see how it goes. It's again going back, so I'm not sure if it's going to hit the stop loss. Yeah. Hello traders, so welcome back. So I thought of booking profits on the put side because on 15,700, so I already made around 6,000 odd amount. So why can't I book those profits and enter into the next level? So I just placed my I placed my order to book the profit, so I'm in loss. Still, not I can manage this, not a problem. So, what's the plan is, if my put price got triggered for 15,700, so I'm going entering into 15,750. So that's what my plan right now is. On the other side, on the call side, we are going to hit the stop loss as well. If we are not going to hit the profits on the put side. So let's see how it goes. So if I'm going to exit from put 15,700, I'm going to enter into 15,750 put. So by the time, what would be my stop losses? So I'm going to cancel this, modify this stop loss of 15,800 to some 50 levels, because we are we are in the maintained strike prices with the premium difference. So in that case I'm going to do that. Let's see how it goes from here. for some reason I have to modify this and book the profits. So as I'm not seeing any jerks right now, so right time booking is needed, otherwise you will face some kind of slippages. So during morning, right? So whatever the play that you assume, whatever the play that you have in as an assumption on your mind, so all this will work out, but not in the afternoons. But in the mornings, whatever the that is running in your mind, that will be executed, and then that will be successfully executed, and you will be in proper state. But that's not the case during afternoon because of more volumes that is adding up after European market opens. So let's see, I'm not hitting the target as well, so at least 6,000 should be booked on my put side, because this is the other side I'm losing, right? I'm losing in the sense on the already I hit the stop loss on call side at 750. Yeah, I think we are going to hit the profit thing on put side. Okay, so we hit the button. So now the plan is to enter into this 45.35. So I has to change my stop loss as well. So 15,700, it's no more, so I'm going to cancel this, and I have to modify my stop loss here. So as it is trading around 39, I'm going to place around 49. And what about the other one? It is trading around 45, so I'm going to place around 54. So it's not going to reach, but still I'm going to place. Why I'm saying it's not going to reach? Because see, there is no slippage. We actually got some kind of profits on my losses. So we have to manage our positions during these times. In the morning, whatever the thought process that is running, that will happen for sure. Okay, so and one more thing that I noticed in the market is showing still as an uptrend, but because of some repo rate news and all those things, so banking stocks will be going down. So that's what technical people are saying, but I'm not sure about that all those stuff. So let's see how it goes from here. I still see market going up and up. Okay, so still positive notice is in exist. So but we don't want to worry, as we are in non-directional trade. We'll keep you posted. Hello traders, welcome back. So time is 10:42. I'm still holding the same position. So all my losses went away, and right now I'm in profit of 240 or 300 rupees. So let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted whenever there is changes in my positions. I'll coming up with a recording session on that. Thank you. Hello traders, welcome back. The time is 11:20. So right now I'm planning to exit my positions, as I'm already in profit of 2000. So before European market opens, I have to exit my position. So I placed my buy order in 15,750, but not into 15,800 call. Let's see how it goes. If I exit my higher premium strike price first, then that would be a better case, or else we have to exit all the positions at once. But I'm expecting one more point of decay, I mean at least 2.5 here. So that is the reason I'm waiting on that. Thank you, I'll keep you posted. So I think put side it's going to execute now. So once that is executed, I'm going to place the on the other side as well. So let's see that executed, not it, but meantime we'll place the buy order on the Put side as well. So I think it's got executed. So I need to exit from call side as well. So 35.85. Let's come out at this place as we already have 25 or 26 on cards. So just wait. Okay, so it got executed. So I made a total of 2299, 2994, sorry. Okay, my hedge positions alone is sitting over here, so we'll see after 140. So if there is any possibility, we are going to take a trade, or else we are going to end up at this point of time. Yeah, thank you. Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So I was in loss of 3000 now. The problem that happened is because of some I don't say system glitches, because I did not reacted so fast. Because of that, I was in loss right now. So exactly at this point, like around 115 120, I entered into almost, I think 115 I can say. So during the time I entered into my position, I generally wait till 140, but I was seeing some good premium, so I thought of entering into the position. But at one point of time I was in loss of 24,000, because I was not able to place the stop loss, and still I managed, and I did too many adjustments here to come to this position. So from 24,000 loss I was able to manage, and come out to 2800 odd amount right now. So still I have an option to exit with what to say, with positive note. I mean, the premium that are staying in this 15,750 put and 15,650 is too high, so it has to be cooled down by, what to say, by 3 o'clock. So I might get another 10 points from here. So if so, then I'll be in positive by end of day. And one thing, I was sorry about that, I was not able to record my session, that whatever that I did right now, because I was in completely in a different mode. I have to manage my position, so I was not able to what to say, record the changes that whatever that I did. So I'll be showing up all my trade that has been taken here. I don't know if I can collect this as a report as well. I can able to help that if there is any possibilities like that. I'll put it in the YouTube. Okay. So right now this is the thing. What are the losses I'm seeing? This is what happening with my trades. That's okay. It happens sometimes. So that is the reason stop loss is so important. So we have to react in a fraction of seconds sometimes. And moreover, I did not do the trades in between 12:30 to 1:30. I mean, by from 12 to 1:40, I can say. So, but for some reason, I entered into the positions because of some anxiety. But I should stop that, doing that as well in coming days. Thank you. Hello traders, welcome back. So I adjusted a couple of positions here. So whatever the position that I'm sitting with, 15,750 and 15,600, I moved from 600 to 650 call option by booking some profits. So right now I'm came to positive now. So I'm still expecting, as I'm in the strike price difference of 100 rupees, but the whatever the premium that we are seeing is 80 plus 80, almost 160 rupees we have on card. So I'm expecting 5 more points from here before 3 o'clock. So if I get that, I'm going to exit for the day. So whatever the profit that I made, 50% will go for my brokerage, and 50% for will be the take home. So as I did more trades today, I have to look how many trades I did, but it might be 50 plus. So but still I managed at from 24,000 loss to a positive note. So that is a good thing that I want to tell you guys. And moreover, these things comes with the management. So how you are managing position, that's more important. So I'll keep you posted. Thank you. Hello traders, so I have closed all my positions. So I ended up with the loss of 3,500. I did more than 50 trades today. So I'll be losing 1,500 more. So 5,000 will be the loss for the day. So these kind of things happens on some of the event days. So today also we have an event on the bank nifty. That is the reason there is a sudden fall. So we need to manage the position. That's what I learned from the market by saying. So at one point of time I was in a loss of 24,000, but still I managed to come out with 3,500. So that's what I mean. Even that should not be happen. Whatever the 24,000, that should not be the case, because I should have placed the stop loss immediately, but it did not work out for me to place the stop losses. So still managed to come out with 3,500. So I'll keep you posted. I mean, I was not able to record during my losses, so I was completely involved in my stabilizing my position. So I did not record it by that time to show the loss photo that I got. So I'll be posting all the execution that I have did on the YouTube channel, so that you can look into the trade that I did for the day. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel.